Animations in PowerPoint are a great way to add dramatic effects, but you always need to keep them flowing smoothly and in a logical order. That's really easy to do. I'm Andrew Childress. I'm a PowerPoint pro, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to sequence animation order in PowerPoint. When you change PowerPoint animation order, you can manage the pace and flow of your slide deck. You can be sure that animations play in the right sequence at the right time, and you can add plenty of cool effects. Let's learn how to change the animation order on PowerPoint. For this tutorial, we'll work with this square animated PowerPoint template from Envato Elements. I have it downloaded and open in PowerPoint here, and as you can see, it's filled with dozens of cool animated slide designs. Now, let's learn how to change order of animation in Microsoft PowerPoint using this template. Working on slide 7 here, you can see that there are several pieces of content on the slide. The first step to change PowerPoint animation order is really to see what animations are in place. To do that, we can preview animations to see what they are and when they trigger. To begin, let's find the Animations tab up here on PowerPoint's ribbon. Go ahead and click on Animations here, and you'll see these options appear. To get a look at existing animations, click Preview over here on the left. When you do, you can see the animation effects play in sequence. Now, let's look at how to change the animation order on PowerPoint. To do this, you'll want to use the Animation Pane. What is that? Well, think of it as the control center for PowerPoint animation effects. It's where you change the order of animations, control how they start, and more. To launch the pane, be sure that you're still on the Animations tab here. Then click Animation Pane, and you'll see it open up here in this sidebar on the right. Notice that the pane lists every animation effect found on a given slide. They're listed here in these lines, and they're presented in the order that they appear in. These numbers, also visible over here on the slide itself, indicate the sequence that they're in. For instance, everything labeled 1 starts first, followed by number 2, number 3, and so on. To reorder animations in PowerPoint, simply click and drag on an effect and then drop it into a new position. It's really that easy. As you work, you can always click on Preview. In fact, that's a good idea because it helps you be sure that animations are always playing in the order that you want. With an animation effect selected in the Animation Pane, you can also control how and when that effect starts. Those options are found up here on the ribbon, here in the Timing section. Let's open up this Start dropdown and look at the choices. There are 3: On click, with previous, and after previous. By default, animations start on click, which means whenever you click your cursor. Changing to with previous means that a given animation starts at the same time as the effect before, above it here in the pane. And after previous means that one animation starts the moment the prior animation finishes playing. To change up the start trigger, simply click between these options and they'll be applied to your selected effect. Last but not least, we can remove animations from a sequence. This is a good tip to keep in mind. It's easy to over-animate slides. In other words, you might have so many effects added that your slides are messy and distracting. To remove an animation from a sequence, right-click on the animation as you're seeing me do here. Then choose Remove from the list of options. The animation will disappear. That's all it takes. You just learned how to change order of animation in Microsoft PowerPoint. It's quick, easy, and gives you the ultimate in creative control over your slide decks. That's thanks to the Animation Pane in PowerPoint, along with the power of premium templates from Envato Elements. Elements is a creative powerhouse with a winning offer: unlimited downloads. For a flat monthly rate, you can download and use as many stunning animated PowerPoint templates as you want. Plus, Elements includes millions of other digital assets. These include fonts, stock photos, graphics, and more. All are great complements to your presentations. Browse the vast library and join today. Before you go, don't forget to like this video. Then subscribe to our Envato Tuts Plus YouTube channel. There you'll find more tutorials along with courses, content roundups, and so much more. You can't afford to miss out. I'm Andrew Childress for Envato Tuts Plus, and thanks for joining me.